Welcome back to Gist Nigeria from the BBC and Channels Television. I am Wale Fakile. Thanks for staying with us. Still to come, the basketballer providing opportunities for young Nigerians. But before then, it's a year since the World Health Organization officially declared coronavirus a worldwide pandemic. COVID-19 has so far claimed 2.6 million lives. In our next story, Naomi Grimley takes us on a global COVID-19 tour.
It's been a year that most of us will remember for the rest of our lives. One of grief and loneliness on a scale none of us could have imagined. It's exactly 12 months since the World Health Organization officially sounded the alarm about the seriousness of COVID-19.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
And yet, after a whirlwind of scientific discoveries, we're now seeing vaccines being distributed to some of the most remote communities on Earth. In Brazil, they've mounted a vaccination campaign reaching reservations and villages, like this one deep in the Amazon jungle.
I'm happy. We are grateful for the vaccination, so we will not catch the disease and my people will get better.
Because of a new variant spreading there, Brazil has seen some of the worst death toll figures since the pandemic began in the last few days. But overall, scientists are positive about bringing the pandemic to an end.
We're in a much more powerful situation because we understand so much more about the virus now. So I am very optimistic of the future. I think we have a better handle on the virus, and we're able to keep up, I suppose, with the race against an evolving virus.
In Europe, there's been a huge amount of disquiet over disappointing vaccination rates. The situation in France has not been helped by negative remarks from President Macron about the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which he later retracted. This family doctor is doing his best to persuade reluctant patients.
Il y a toujours des réticences, parce qu'on a des patients à convaincre.
There's always a hesitation, and we have to convince some patients. That's time and energy used. If we don't have support, both from government and media, it's hard to go up from there. Patients trust us, but only to a certain extent.
Les patients nous font confiance, mais jusqu'à un certain point.
Meanwhile, the international COVAX programme says it's delivered over 20 million doses to more than 20 developing countries, mostly in Africa. But it's really only enough to vaccinate key medical workers. Whether it's drive-through vaccinations in LA or doctors and nurses in Nigeria, get ready for an increasingly divided world, depending on who's been vaccinated and who hasn't. With over 2.6 million deaths in the pandemic so far, everyone can agree that much better protections are needed to ensure it never happens again.